In this video, we are going to discuss about the training and the various methods of training. Coming to the common concept of training, training is basically a method through which you increase the skills and knowledge of the employee that are working in your organization. Like say for example, if you are appointing an employee in your organization, you cannot expect him to perform each and every activity that he is supposed to perform and be productive at the same time without having much acquaintance how is he actually supposed to perform that particular activity. So training is a method through which you infuse the knowledge among the people so that they can be more skillful and they can be more productive for your organization and for the betterment of your organization in order to minimize the cost and maximize your profitability. Now we have the different methods of training, like we have on-the-job method of training and off-the-job method of training. Coming to the on-the-job method of training, it's basically the very common method through which you can train the employees of your organization. In on-the-job training method, a trainer is placed on a specific job, and at the same time he is being taught the different skills and knowledge that he need to apply in the particular activity that is he's supposed to perform there. A trainee is learning while doing in your organization. That means he is learning the new skills while working there. Now we have the different advantages of the on-the-job training. Coming to the first method of on-the-job importance of on-the-job training, that is quite flexible method. It is very economic method. That means it's a less expensive method of training. Apart from that, another advantage is that the trainee is highly motivated and encouraged to learn, because the trainee is not getting bored through learning the new skills or by learning the new skills and knowledge in an organization, because he's learning the new skills and at the same time he's applying his knowledge and his skills in his work, and he is himself able to realize the difference. So that can be helpful for you to keep your people motivated to work for your organization, and that encourage the people to learn more. Apart from that, और एक advantage है that you don't need to make much arrangements for this type of training method. So हमारे पास different techniques है on the job training method की. Coming to the first technique, that is job rotation. जॉब रोटेशन इज बेसिकली दैट मैथड जहाँ पर आप ट्रेनर्स की मूवमेंट करते हैं फ्रॉम वन जॉब टू अनदर जॉब. ट्रेनी को स्टैग्नेंट नहीं रखा जाता एक पर्टिकुलर डिपार्टमेंट में, या उसे एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ काम ही नहीं किया जाता है. जो ट्रेनी है, इन ऑर्डर टू मेक हिम मोर एक्सपीरियंस्ड एंड मेक हिम मोर knowledgeable and to gain acquaintance about the different activities that are being performed in an organization, the trainee is being rotated from one department to another department just to gain the knowledge about different activities that he is supposed to perform and to understand the problems of the other employees as well. The next one is that is coaching. जो कोचिंग मेथड में क्या होता है, जो ट्रेनी है उसे प्लेस किया जाता है एक सुपरवाइजर के अंडर, जिसका काम होता है टू प्रॉपरली ट्रेन और टू प्रॉपरली इन्फ्यूज द नॉलेज अमंग द ट्रेनीज, एंड एट द सेम टाइम वो उन्हें अपॉर्चुनिटी भी देता है टू एक्सप्रेस द आइडियाज, उन्हें फीडबैक भी देता है सो दैट दे कैन नो देयर परफॉर्मेंस कि वो कितना सीख रहे हैं और उन जो भी वो ट्रेनिंग को ग्रास्प कर रहे हैं वो कितना इफेक्टिव है उनके लिए, ताकि जो बंदा है वो अपने स्किल्स खुद से एनालिस करे थ्रू द फीडबैक एंड वो प्रॉपरली उन चीज़ों को आगे जाके एनहांस करे अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है, सो दैट दे वुड बी एबल टू ओवरकम एनी प्रॉब्लम. द नेक्स्ट मेथड इज जॉब इंस्ट्रक्शन. Job method job instruction is basically also known as the step-to-step training, जहाँ पर जो भी trainee है he is properly explaining each and every step to the trainee regarding the way how is he supposed to perform any activity there. He is there to correct his mistake. अगर जो भी बंदा है, जो भी ट्रेनी है, अगर वो कोई भी गलती कर रहा है, वो स्टेप टू स्टेप उसके हर एक स्टेप को एनालिस कर रहा है. ही इज प्रॉपरली इवेलुएटिंग हिम एंड प्रॉपरली करेक्टिंग हिज मिस्टेक्स, ताकि वो मिस्टेक जो है वो आगे जाके बढ़े ना और उसकी वजह से ना आपका एम्प्लॉय सफ़र करे ना ही आपकी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन सफ़र करे. वी हैव द कमिटी असाइनमेंट्स. कमिटी असाइनमेंट्स इज बेसिकली अ ग्रुप ऑफ ट्रेनीज. You are choosing a group of, or you are congregating the different members and making a group and then giving them any problem to solve. जो भी ग्रुप्स में बंदे हैं, they discuss the problem with each other and come up with a solution. This helps them to improve the teamwork among the people and get the new ideas of like solving any particular problem. Now we have the second type of training method, that is off the job training method. Off the job training method is that type of training where you are keeping employees away from the field of the job. That means जब आप off the job training method दे रहे हैं, an employee is not actually working in an organization. आप उसे organization या उस ambience से बाहर निकालते हैं and you are giving him the training. You are just giving him the training regarding the activities. You are just infusing the new knowledge and new acquaintance among the employees regarding the various activities that they are supposed to perform. So we have the certain advantage of on-the-job training. You have the stress-free environment to learn. That means you are not having any stress of performing the work or performing the activity and at the same time gaining the new knowledge. You can easily concentrate on learning क्योंकि आपका पीछे से कोई burden नहीं होता है organization में काम करने का. So the next advantage is you can fully focus on the teaching of the employees. जो भी आपके employees आपको सिखा रहे हैं, आप उन चीज़ों पर properly focus कर सकते हैं. Now we have the different techniques of on-the-job training. Coming to the first technique, that is known as incident method. Incident method is basically the incidents, that method where you are trying to inculcate the knowledge among the people to properly analyze the things and come up with a solution regarding the particular problem. Incident method वो method है जहाँ पर कोई भी problem दी जाती है that is based on the actual facts and actual situations that certain organizations had encountered. जो भी वो प्रॉब्लम है वो ट्रेनिंग ग्रुप को दिया जाता है एंड दे आर आस्क्ड टू मेक द डिसीजन. जो भी इंसिडेंट मेथड में जो भी बंदे जो भी ट्रेनीज है वो प्रॉपरली चीज़ों को एनालिस करते हैं, प्रॉपरली चीज़ों को इवेलुएट करते हैं, दे डिस्कस द थिंग एंड दे कम अप विद द सोल्यूशन. इसकी वजह से जो आपके बंदे हैं वो हाईली मोटिवेट होते हैं एंड दे नो, वो प्रॉपरली ये चीज़ को सीखते हैं, दे प्रॉपरली गेट एक्सपीरियंस्ड और दे प्रॉपरली गेन द एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ हाउ दे हैव टू एनालिस द सिचुएशन एंड हाउ दे हैव टू डायग्नोज द प्रॉब्लम एंड कम अप विद द सोल्यूशन or how they can solve the particular problem that an organization is encountering. So the another technique of off-the-job training method is the role playing. रोल प्लेइंग बेसिकली वो मेथड है जहाँ पर एक बंदे को किसी पर्टिकुलर जॉब प्रोफाइल या किसी पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का रोल दिया जाता है. दैट मीन्स इन दिस एन एम्प्लॉय इज आस्क्ड टू एज्यूम द रोल ऑफ अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. He is being given all the responsibilities, all the rights that person is holding in an organization. He has to assume the role of a particular person जिसका रोल उसे दिया जाता है and then he has to properly like analyze or properly utilize जो भी उसे रोल या जो भी उसे राइट दिया जाता है so that he could properly encounter the problem or so that he could properly come up with the solution or properly apprehend the particular role that he is supposed to perform there. ताकि वो प्रॉपरली और उसके बाद जो भी वो परफॉर्म कर रहा है उस चीज़ को प्रॉपरली रिकॉर्ड किया जाता है ताकि एट द एंड ही कैन हिमसेल्फ एग्जामिन हिज प्रॉब्लम एंड ट्राई टू करेक्ट अगर उसने कोई भी चीज़ गलत की होगी और उसे एक चांस मिलता है टू इम्प्रूव हिमसेल्फ. क्योंकि जब वो अपनी परफॉर्मेंस ऑलरेडी जो भी रिकॉर्ड की होती है उस परफॉर्मेंस को प्रॉपरली देखता है. The next method or the next technique of the job training method is the lectures. The lecture is the very suitable method where you are having the huge number of employees or huge number of trainees whom you are supposed to train. जहाँ पर आपके लिए पॉसिबल नहीं होगा इंडिविजुअली हर बंदे को ट्रेन करना, जहाँ आपके जो भी ट्रेनीज है दे आर लार्ज इन नंबर, वहाँ पर यू गो फॉर द लेक्चर्स. It's very helpful method through which you can properly explain the concept and clear each and every confusion and properly clear the principles through the face-to-face interaction. That is the lecture method of training. We have the conference. Conference is basically a meeting where several people join the meeting and they discuss a common issue. They properly analyze the issue and properly discuss the various issues related to a particular topic. In this, you are giving chance to each and every employee to express their views and come up with a solution. This was all about the training methods.